Okay, so you go to check someone's Instagram and guess what? Blocked. Their profile has vanished, leaving them without any posts or direct messages. Disappointing. But don't freak out. I have a clever group chat technique that could potentially save the situation. Let's talk about it. Let's face it, receiving a block on Instagram is not pleasant. When someone blocks you, Instagram makes it so you can't see their profile, their posts, or even message them. It's like a total shutdown. However, this is where the interesting part comes in. Group chats. Even if they block you, Instagram still allows you to communicate with them in a group. Here's how to take advantage of this little loophole. Firstly, locate or establish a group chat in which they are currently participating. If you're already in one, awesome. If not, reach out to a mutual friend who can assist in mediating the situation and add you to the group chat. Now that's it! If this was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more social media tips, and share your most awkward block situation in the comments section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.